Today I'm in Okauchee, Wisconsin. Got Okauchee Lake behind me. Got Joe and Karen White. Where are you guys from? They're from Watertown. They came to visit us today to see what we do out here. I got Silent J over here getting ready. And we're just gonna come out here by this bar called Foolery to clean up all the dock area here. There's some garbage down there, some menus. Bridge over here. And Jade's gonna go start over there. And there's a lot of fish in here. Let's see what we get. There's a menu and some other trash here.
You do find some cool models though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this one isn't old at all. There we go. There. Yeah, we find a lot of these vapes.
Some of those vapes,
Yeah.
That's what.
Oh, nice. Got a tire.
There's another half tire down there too.
There's a lot of carp down there. Wow. Thank you. There you go. Pepsi Cola bottle. Thank you. Yeah.
Have a good day, buddy.
You too.
Hope we get to see you again.
Yeah, someday. Alright guys, just finished our dive. Check out what we found. So Jay had the little board today. I had the kayak today. Pulled a lot of stuff out. We're gonna start with these menus for Fooleries here. We're at the bar called Fooleries. This is a pretty old place. Apparently during Prohibition, they used to have a hideout for a boat under there. It's still there. Got a bunch of cans right here. 4 vapes and a tire pressure thing, I think that is. A whack card, some other random things here. Speaker, someone's little swim mask there. Got a lot of plastic here today, as you can see. A lot of cups. They must be flying off, this area over here into the water. A lot of glass, some broken glass, some bottles over here. Clear glass, brown glass. Had these bottles here. This one says Pepsi Cola on it. Bright Spot Bottling Company from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Cool find. Shovel here, a couple lights, a glove, this whole light post, an anchor that Jay found there, some tires that we pulled up together, shoe, and these random things right here. Also found this sign underwater. Pretty fun dive. We had about 5 people, 6 people stop out that watch my channel, and they wanted to come talk, say thank you for what we're doing. One person even donated some money to help us keep going, buy some lunch or the next hotel. We'll see. What was the coolest thing you saw today?
A couple big fish. One huge bass that started chasing me around a little bit. I think he was hungry.
Yeah, trying to get some scraps off there, eh? Beautiful lake. We got some people coming through now. There's no boat traffic while we're in here, but now we got some jet skis coming through. Not a good day for boating or for jet skiing, but they're out here. The water there was so clear, and it was so nice to see all those fish. Of course, we were hungry afterwards, so we stopped in at Foolery's and grabbed ourselves a couple nice burgers. Yum.